What's up, family? We back. Another Lego build for the day. We got the Pagani 76915. This one is 249 pieces. A little small build for the day, but let's get into it. Let's do it. The end of stage one. Look like we got the seat in, like the seats in, the gear shift, and then you got the back. So this is it for number one. Again, this is the Pagani. Let's get into number two. Let's do it. All right, family, so that's it. That's the Pagani. Real basic, small build. This is a Lego Speed Champion build, so it's not many pieces. It's very small. Little cool car to add to the collection. You know, nothing too crazy. But yeah, I want to say that this just came out recently with the June or July collection. That's why I bought it. Not 100% sure because I'm just getting into this Lego thing, but yeah, there goes the Pagani. What is this? Build number 3. So like, comment, subscribe. More builds on the way. I got 3 cars over there now, ready to get built. So one time for the Pagani. Like, comment, subscribe for the next one. I'll see y'all.